Hi everyone. So this is my attempt to start something new that I'm getting a download for. Is that I'm already creating a lot of videos for all of you to for collective healing, be it Reiki, be it white light meditations, and different modalities. However, there is another modality which is healing using my pendulum, right? And going into people's Akashic records to basically be able to heal, clear whatever it is that is blocking whatever they want to manifest, right? So basically using that energy with the help of my higher self, also angelic beings, light beings, right, the divine, white light, all of those energies will help clear out or heal whatever blocks there are. All right, so based on that, today I'm getting, and I will do a collective healing. This would be a collective healing for whoever is watching this video. Okay, you can come back to it again and again, because what will happen is that we might clear something today, right? And tomorrow you might still feel like you want to you might feel like some things have come up, and you want to go deeper. So you come back to this clearing again, and what will happen is every problem, not every problem, but many problems have layers to it. Okay. So sometimes you need a clearing those many times so that you can penetrate to the actual issue. And sometimes, you can clear, and in one clearing, you can see the, difference, right? So based on whatever your issue is, based on wherever you are in your problem, you can intuitively come to this clearing, watch this video, you can watch it again and again, and you'll start seeing things change in your life. All right, so I have already prepped with my higher self, prepped with my angelic team, the light being, right? And I'm prepping for all of you, whoever is meant to watch this video, whoever is meant to clear whatever issues are there. Today, I'm going to be focusing on a chakra clearing, all right? A full chakra cleanse. And within that, I'm specifically focused on various kinds of curses, all right? So let me share, and let me then talk about what curses are. Now, of course, we are going to do a overall clearing. However, I also want you all to understand what a curse is. Okay. Now, everything, let me share, everything that we are, right, is all energy, right? I hope all of you understand that everything is energy, right? So when we are talking about our chakras, which you can see here, right? We are talking about energetic centers in our body. All right. If you've already landed on this video, you probably know a little bit about chakras. But what I'm going to focus today specifically on, because we can go hours and hours around, this process, and there are so many things. But what I'm getting an intuition for is to do a curse clearing around the chakras. All right. So, first of all, you have your crown chakra, right? This is here where all your divine information comes through, your connection with the divine, right? Then comes your third eye, right? This is where your third eye, literally you being able to see, your intuition, you being able to sense the future, right? This is your throat chakra. Then comes your heart chakra, right? All your emotions, all your relationships, all your grief, right? All the matters of the heart come from here. Solar plexus is all about you, right? Your personal power. And root chakra is all about stability and survival in this world, right? Now, let's start with, I have my charts here, okay, and I have all the blocks that are there. Now, let me start with what's coming up for all of you, all right? Now, when I talk about curses, curses can be of different kinds, right? It can be, you know, one is human generated, okay? Now, What are those? They can be spoken curses, right? They can be anger, hatred, jealousy. They can be a ritual curse, right? They can be generational curses. They can be contractual curses. Actually, let me just try and share this as well. Let's see. Let's see. So I hope you can see it now. So what are these curses, right? So let's see for all of you. Now I'm going to be focused on which curse is it that I need to focus on. I feel like number three is coming up. Okay, number three is your ancestral lineage based. So wherever, whatever thought forms, anything that's there um in your root chakra, let's clear that now. All right. Whatever ancestral blocks are there. Any inherited trauma pattern, any repeated loss pattern, any poverty scarcity loop, right? That you have, illnesses, right? Any exile, displacement, because it's all about stability in the root chakra, right? So any of those themes that you have, let's clear that. Any imprint of oppression around gender-based oppression, all of that is getting cleared now. Healing, 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 healing. Any kind of yawn, burp, sigh is all a sign of release. So whoever is watching this video, remember that we are clearing for the collective. Keep coming back to this video again and again. All right. Okay. So this one is done. Then I also feel moving to the sacral chakra. Sacral chakra, it's all about the water element here, right? Which means that, oh, there's a lot of heaviness there. And it's also about sensuality, creativity. So I feel like even before we started, it has started clearing for all of you a lot of blocks. So people who are getting blocks around creativity, sexual blocks, people who have when it comes to connections and they feel like they're stuck, right? All of that comes from here. And right now I feel like a lot of childhood trauma, a lot of womb blocks are also here. So a lot of that is coming up. A lot of shame based imprint is coming up. All right. Let's see. Let's clear. Let's clear. Let's clear. Let's see. Clear, 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 clear. All right. Also, a lot of guilt loop imprint is found here, right? So I can sense a lot of that. So let's clear, 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 clear. A lot of trauma for all of you folks, whoever is watching, clearing it all. Vows, contracts, something around, love, not wanting to be in a relationship, not being committed, all of that is coming up here. Clear, 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 clear. And all the expectation, fear, expectation, imprint, clearing it all for you. Clearing, 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 clearing. A lot of cultural conditioning curses also coming up. You know how like we are in certain societies and we feel the shame or we feel a lot of uh, curses around sexuality, how you should be. So all of that gets accumulated here, clearing it, clearing it, clearing it, clearing, 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 clearing. All right. Okay. Moving on. Moving on to the heart chakra. Okay. As you can see, heart chakra, but a lot of curses here, right? Number one is spoken curses. So, what are curses? Curses are energies, right? Of course, it can come from somebody's negative intention, but it could also be from an ancestral lineage, right? It could be a cultural thing. It could be in a place, like a particular land curse, right? It can also be a spoken curse, meaning you are talking about yourself in such a bad way that, you end up cursing yourself. So a lot of spoken curses, not just from yourself, but also others. It could be jealousy, it could be anger, it could be hatred. So clearing all of that, the heart accumulates, right? Or at least in this clearing, the heart has all of that, all right? Then there are a lot of generational curses, right? So repeated patterns, ancestors. If you see a lot of losses, not just in your life, but in your parents' life, in your grandparents, generations, so all of that, that grief of that curse is also in your heart, all right? So clearing all of that, a lot of negative energy of envy curse, so that like people being jealous, people feeling like you are being too good or you're doing something and you're being too successful. So all of that clearing. A lot of relationship curses, all right? So uh, perhaps for you, it could be an old relationship, it could be an ex-partner, right? All of that, that resentment, right? Or it could be a partner who's passed away, something, a lot of grief. I feel a lot of resentment around all of that is coming up, right? So all of that. So whoever is watching it probably is going through all of it. So I'm clearing it all for all of you, right? I would suggest when we move through the chakras, just put your hand there, right? And just receive this healing, all right? All right. And one more curse around some sort of a workplace sabotage or rivalry. So it could be that you were in a job, or you were in a place, or you currently are, right? And people are jealous, or people are feeling very competitive around you. So that kind of a curse, right? To for you to fall and for them to rise. All right. So I'm sensing a lot of that. So clearing that, clearing that, clearing that. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay to let go. It's okay to let go of these curses. You can just say, I release these curses now. I release them all. I release all the known and unknown curses, right? Because these are the ones that are coming up for you, all of you right now. Yeah. All right. A lot of clearing. Hmm. Okay, beautiful. It's done. Moving on now to the throat chakra. All right. Let's see which ones are coming up. Hmm. So for your throat chakra, the curses that are coming up are number one, power misuse. So where is it that that's clear? All the power misuse, right? So where is it that you've used your voice, right? Your power to maybe say something really mean to someone, right? Say something that hurt somebody, right? Or it also probably you said something to somebody and then it backfired, right? And it kind of created a lot of blocks in your life. So clearing all of that, right? I'll have to bring in white light, bringing a lot of healing symbols, sending all the healing symbols to all of you. And yeah, because there is a lot of dark energy here. Okay, clearing, 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 clearing. A lot of over attachment to identity blocks are here, which means that you feel you are probably in a position, right? Or you are doing something, or you whatever you role you have in your life right now. For example, if you are a mother, right? So you are too attached to that role, meaning your life revolves around, I am a mother, I did this, I love my children, I can do anything for my children, I go out of my way to support my children, I have sacrificed my life. So you are so attached with your identity that it's created a block now, because now you can't see anything beyond it. You see how it's creating a block in your life? Yes, you are doing what you're doing, but that's your role play, right? You don't have to get so attached, or you don't have to bring your ego in, and you don't have to put other people down. So you're using this throat chakra uh to basically dominate, and so it's not helping you and it's creating more blocks. So clearing all of that, right? Clearing, 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 clearing. All right. And then what's coming up is a lot of dependency patterns, so which means this is for those folks probably who are in stuck in a trauma response of maybe fawning, and you are saying things to just please people, right? And you're making other people happy, but in the process you're losing your control, you're losing your respect, and based on that it's creating blocks in your throat chakra. So clearing all of that, so letting go of all the fear based decision loops, letting go of all the blocks that are stopping you from moving forward and being your authentic self, because you're using your voice to create more blocks rather than actual solutions or actual, good things for you in life. All right, so clearing your throat. All right. Okay, moving on to your third eye. I feel third eye, a lot of unresolved lessons are coming up here. A lot of unresolved lessons. So, which means that you probably have a lot of patterns repeating in your life. Things have been happening, same things keep coming up, all right? So if you have financial issues year after year, you're just constantly in debt, you're not able to come out of it, you are not learning your lesson. So every time the universe is telling you that every time some problem comes to you, there's some, it has wisdom within it, right? And that wisdom, you have to use your intuition, which is getting blocked right now, to understand the wisdom behind that lesson, learn it, understand it, surrender, and move forward. That's how you move forward in life. But what you are doing is, when a problem is coming, you are actually sitting with the problem, you're marinating in it, you are creating more problems by talking about it, and you're not even learning the lesson. So sometimes, for example, what's coming to me is, sometimes if you have a debt, you learn to control money, right? Or you learn to not control money, but you learn to be wise with money, right? You learn to work with the energy of money. You learn that energy is all about money, energy is all about circulation. You cannot hoard money, right? That is a very beautiful lesson that a person can learn from, maybe a person who has debt. If they learn this lesson, if this is your lesson, and then you stop hoarding and you start kind of going with the flow, then money starts flowing into your life, you're able to pay off your debt, right? But if you don't learn the lesson, then you keep creating more debt, because your situation keeps amplifying, so that you it becomes very evident for you to not be able to ignore it, and then um, show you what needs to be learned, right? So that's the block number one. I'm clearing all of that. Okay, a lot of fear coming up here. A lot of fear coming up here. Uh, so maybe fear of the future, fear of what will happen, fear of what if I keep getting stuck here, fear of not being successful, fear of losing. All of those fears are coming up. Fear of survival is also coming up. But you have to trust. You have to trust the divine. You have to be able to see. You have to also know that what you can't see, God or universe, whatever you believe in, they can see. So you have to believe in that divine vision, right? And let go of those blocks. Another thing is a lot of victim identity construct coming up. So I am a victim. I am going through all of these problems. Why does God do this to me? Why me? All of those questions are getting stuck here, and that's creating a block in your third eye chakra. So clearing all of that, clearing. All right. Mm. And now let's just open up to healing and just allow whatever blocks are there that is not letting us connect to the divine. Let's clear all of that. And let's allow, just imagine white light or purple light, whatever healing color you can connect with. Imagine that flowing into your body, all right? And as you're imagining, I'm going to just create some symbols, create some healing to open up channels for you to be able to connect to the divine. I also send some inner child blocks in your heart chakra. Maybe when you were 5 years old, maybe your mom didn't listen to you, maybe you felt all alone, maybe you felt like now nobody is there to support you. All you ever do has to be done alone. Clearing all of those blocks. I'm just picking up on collective blocks that are coming up. Clearing. Right? This is for maybe the person who will watch. This is for them. You're not alone. There's divine presence with you at all times, within and outside. You're always protected. I'm getting a heart chakra, I'm getting a throat chakra block that you can't speak up for yourself, right? Maybe it's a past life block, right? Where you were punished or killed for being or saying what you really truly meant, right? So clearing those past life blocks for you so that you can open up, you can tell your truth, and you can live in your authenticity, right? Yeah. A lot of heavy energy. Okay, okay, okay. I'm clearing, 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 clearing. I'm also getting a lot of negative entities, probably. That could be stuck in the root chakra for somebody, right? Dark energies, clearing, 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 clearing. Allowing a lot of light, angelic beings, yeah, to come in and help clear all of these negative energies, negative entities for all you folks. Mm. I'm getting vows now. Right, okay. I'm getting vows around sacral chakra of always um vow to suffering, right? Probably again a past life, a lot of past life energy coming up. So past life you probably had, a lot of vows. So you all were in a relationship, you were the tormentor, right? So now you have a vow of never being in a relationship. So maybe you try and get into a relationship and it always breaks, or you always have a end up in a divorce, So I'm just gonna so we are clearing all of those vows so that you can enjoy a beautiful, loving relationship, right? Clearing all your vows to um not ever being in a relationship, clearing all of it, clearing, 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 clearing. Okay, beautiful. Now let me just download, all right? Downloading love, acceptance, relaxation, love, solutions, all the beautiful energies that is required to complete this healing for all of you, right? To complete this healing for all of you. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Downloading support, yes. And downloading abundance for all of you. Abundance at all levels, whatever abundance means to you. Wow. Is the clearing complete? All chakras balanced. Okay. Clearing complete. All negative energy gone. Okay. Beautiful. Clearing all the negative energy from the pendulum now. Show me. Okay. Great. So that was a quick chakra clearing. I will actually create such videos. This was just for you to understand how we are going to do it in the future. And I'm going to, if you have any questions, if you have particular issues that you want to clear, please leave a comment below. I will prepare and then do a clearing, collective clearing for all of you. And yes, I mean, I based on my intuition, I will keep going with the videos. But if you have specific requests, do put in your comments, and I will come back very soon with another clearing video for all of you. Till then, signing off. Anisha Dutt from Zarya Healings.